Hi, I'm Donna, and welcome back to my series of line dance steps. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to kick ball change. And basically, you just do what it tells you. You're going to kick, you're going to step on the ball of your foot, and you're going to change back to the other foot. Kick, ball, change. I'll show you how to do it first, and then I'll turn around so we can dance it together. So this is a kick, ball, change. Now let's break it down. So it's basically just the words that you're saying. We're going to kick with our right, step on the ball of your foot to change back to your left. So you kick, step on the ball of your foot, and left. Kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. I'm going to show it to you from the side, a little easier to see. We're going to kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4.